Hey guys, it's Jordan back again with another video. And today for this video I have a unboxing video that I got from Proactive. So let's just get right into the video. So the reason why I have this is like upside down because like the virus and stuff is on it. So let's get into it. If you guys hear noises like outside work street and Chanel playing with some slime, my niece. Okay, so
Oh yeah, by the way, she made slime in her last video.
Okay, so this is what comes in the box. It comes like this. It says, love your gift, order today for a special member discount. And then like on the box, so this is what the box looks like.
Can you just show this?
Okay, so first thing I have is some more of like the first thing. I also got this, and then I also got a third one. The first one that I got, they were way smaller, and like especially this one, was just like small. And then I also got a skin purifying mask. And then that's basically all of the stuff in the box. So, so if you guys want to have like an update on my slime, here it is in a bag, of course. I made some yesterday and I mixed them together. Sorry. So let me try and take this out. Start getting it on me. Ah! It's like nail polish.
Because you put nail polish in it.
Oh yeah, I put nail polish in it to like make it dark.
How did you get this color?
Sprinkles?
Really?
Yeah. Yesterday we like did a challenge. I should have recorded it yesterday, but like I wasn't thinking. And so like we made some like normal like white slime, and we got like sprinkles, and so like we started mixing them all together. That's not one of them, but like we just did on the toilet. But luckily the toilet didn't get clogged. Surprisingly, it didn't. Okay, so here's an update on my slime. I made another slime and mixed it. That's why it's a little bit darker. It's still
Did you put like 5 billion pieces of nail polish in it?
Yeah, what she said. So you guys can hear, but I can't show you it. Maybe I can. Here, let's do like a... Oopsie.
What?
It was like... I have to do it slow because...
It's kind of like a jiggle slime.
Yeah. And it's really thick, that's why.
Look how thick this one is.
Okay, so that was enough for the
Slime.
The slime. Probably tomorrow I'll like show you how to like use all the Proactive stuff. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, comment if you want, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!